Solving equations by factoring. Factoring the variable. If we are solving a formula and we need to solve for a particular variable, we may need to factor. Notice that here we have AB plus AC. If we were needing to solve for, say, A, we might need to factor that out. So a common factor would be A, leaving with us with B plus C inside the parentheses. So one of the strategies for solving when we have a formula is to put all the terms with the variable that we're solving for on one side of our equal sign and all the other terms on the other side. Factor out the variable and then divide to isolate the variable. Let's look at example 1 here. They want us to solve for x, but notice that we have our ax on one side and we have cx on the other side. So what we want to do is we want to get all our x's on the one side. And I'm going to do that by subtracting cx from both sides here. And I'll get ax minus cx plus b equal to d. I want to get all the other terms on the other side, so we want to move that b over, so we'll subtract b. I now have ax minus cx equal to d minus b. Now, I need to get my x by itself. I can't not have two of them. So since I have x in common here, it's my common factor. I'm going to take that out. That's my GCF. And I'm going to be left with a minus c inside my parentheses equal to d minus b. So now I'm going to divide by the stuff that's not x, which would be the a minus c. So now I have that x equals d minus b all over a minus c. Let's take a look at our second example. We have a equal to pi r squared plus pi rl, and we're solving for pi. So my pi is already on one side by itself. So what we want to do is we want to factor that out. Take out the common factor of pi, and then I'm left with r squared plus rl. I don't want the r squared plus the rl, so I'm going to divide out by that. And I'm going to get a over r squared plus rl equals my pi.